Now, some relief comes in for lawyer and activist Nikita Jacob from Bombay High Court. In its order today, the Bombay High Court has granted Nikita protection from arrest for the next 3 weeks. There's only 25,000 rupee bond in case of arrest within this period. Her lawyer has now argued that Nikita has cooperated there in the Delhi police probe, but was apprehensive once the non-bailable warrant was issued against her. Now, this comes as another suspect, Shantanu Muluk, was granted 10-day anticipatory bail by the Aurangabad bench of the Bombay High Court in Bombay yesterday. In fact, Nikita and Shantanu, along with Disha, who is under police custody currently, she's in 5-day police custody. She's already completed 3 days. She's now accused of co-creating the toolkit which was shared by environmental activist Greta Thunberg while she extended support to the ongoing farmers' agitation in the country.
The Honorable Bombay High Court has considered the judgments of the Supreme Court wherein transit bail applications has been allowed. Also in other cases where there is an objection from the Learned Counsel for the respondents' ends, even those has been allowed. Now she is not at risk anymore, apprehending any kind of arrest, at least for the next 3 weeks. So now she will approach the appropriate forum. She has always been ready and willing to cooperate. She has been cooperating. In the meantime also, if she's been called upon for investigation, she will definitely cooperate.
Well, there you have it. She has now got some relief after Shantanu has also got a 10-day interim bail. Remember, they're accused of preparing the toolkit which Greta Thunberg put up in relation to the farmers' protest. Vidya reporting live from Mumbai. Vidya, what's the relief that comes in for Nikita now? Nikita and Shantanu, if you can collectively tell us where do they stand in this case now?
Well, as of now, remember, this case was not fought on the base of merits. They have got a relief for about 10 days. Shantanu has got it. And for about 3 weeks, Nikita Jacob has got it. So basically, for the next 3 weeks, Nikita cannot be arrested. She has time till the next 3 weeks to approach a court in Delhi where she can actually seek further relief. But remember, when she goes to Delhi, the entire case will be fought on merits. Here, it was only for the fact that her rights needed to be protected. And that is why the court has given her the protection. But in Delhi, the Delhi police will be presenting all the evidence that they have against her. They will be showing as to how she was not there in the court, when they had asked her to be there, how she had managed not to be interrogated when they wanted to record her statements. All that, along with the fact of various evidences, the various email, the WhatsApp chats, all that will be put forth by the Delhi police before the Delhi court, and that is where the real test of the entire case will lie. So this relief that both Nikita Jacob and Shantanu have got as of now is only and purely on the basis of the fact that their rights for freedom needed to be protected. That is the only reason why they have been granted this interim relief.
Right. Thank you very much, Vidya, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.